Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to show or hide the ribbon in Excel. Go to the top right corner of Excel, near the Home tab. You will see a small Ribbon Display Options button, a downward arrow. Click on it. Here you will see three options. Right now, Always Show Ribbon is selected. This means both the tabs and the ribbon commands are visible. Click on Show Tabs Only. Now, only the tab names like Home, Insert, Data, etc. are visible. When you click on any tab, its ribbon will appear. When you click back into the worksheet, the ribbon will hide again. Full screen mode. Now again, click the Ribbon Display Options button. Select Auto Hide Ribbon, full screen mode. Now even the tab names disappear, and only the worksheet is visible. To temporarily show the tabs and ribbon, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click. The ribbon will appear, but once you click back in the worksheet, it will hide again. Return to normal view. To go back to normal mode, click the Ribbon Display Options button again and select Always Show Ribbon. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.